I'm going to ask ChatGPT a simple question. What products did Apple release in 2020 and what was the impact to Apple's share price? Notice how ChatGPT is unable to contextualize the launch with the effects on Apple's market performance, citing the reason that it is trained on historical and not real-time temporal data. Of course, I can manually search for this data using services such as Edgar, which would enable me to search through Apple's SEC filings and extract the quarterly and annual reports. But what if there was a better way? In this demo, I'm going to highlight the power of KDB.AI, the industry's only hybrid vector database, offering real-time processing and historical analytic capabilities to supercharge conversational AI across a variety of front-end applications. As you can see, our front end not only presents analysts with a simple, intuitive breakdown of Apple's market performance, but thanks to KDB.AI's powerful vector embeddings, analysts are also able to compare comparative market performance via automated similarity searches. But the real power comes from the natural language queries. For instance, notice that when I type the phrase iPhone release, KDB.AI will return information from the relevant SEC filings, pinpointing the date, filing type, summary, and point-in-time market value. Let's expand on this with another natural language query. Which new products did Apple release in 2020? Again, notice how KDB.AI can contextualize the query, highlight the point-in-time market value, and then the relevant information from Apple's associated SEC filings. Finally, let's drill down into the product release markers, noting the immediate change to our similarity search. This enables analysts to perform lightning-fast competitive comparisons. To find out more, visit KDB.AI.